Fibo Quantum Review, how I made $500 in just 1 hour. As a seasoned Forex trader, I'm always on the lookout for trading tools that can help me achieve consistent profits. Recently, I came across the Fibo Quantum Scalper, and I must say, it's been a game changer for me. In this review, I'll share my experience of how this powerful tool helped me make $500 in just 1 hour of trading. Unlocking the power of Fibo Quantum Scalper. One of the standout features of Fibo Quantum Scalper is its next-generation trading algorithm. This innovative algorithm is designed to pinpoint winning trades with remarkable accuracy. It's like having a seasoned trader right by your side, guiding your every move in the Forex market. Choosing the right currency pair. To maximize my profits, I decided to focus on the currency pairs that Fibo Quantum Scalper supports. The tool covers all major currency pairs, providing ample opportunities for traders. I chose to trade the year/used pair, which is known for its liquidity and popularity among Forex traders. User-friendly visual interface. Navigating the Forex market can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. Fibo Quantum Scalper's user-friendly visual interface made the entire process a breeze. The tool provides clear and easy-to-understand signals, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Scalping signals for quick gains. I've always been a fan of scalping, and Fibo Quantum Scalper truly excels in this area. The scalping signals generated by the tool are highly profitable and, most importantly, reliable. It's all about aiming for smaller trades while ensuring a high success rate. This strategy has proven to be incredibly effective for me. Built-in smart Fibonacci technology. Fibo Quantum Scalper's incorporation of smart Fibonacci technology is a game changer. This feature helps identify optimal entry and exit points, increasing the probability of success in each trade. The Fibonacci method has long been favored by traders, and this tool takes full advantage of its power. Unique price volatility detection. One of the standout benefits of Fibo Quantum Scalper is its ability to detect price volatility. This unique feature ensures that I enter trades at opportune moments, minimizing risk and maximizing potential profits. It's like having a built-in market volatility radar. Making $500 in just 1 hour. Now, let's get to the exciting part, how I made $500 in just 1 hour using Fibo Quantum Scalper. With the year/used pair selected, I followed the signals provided by the tool diligently. Within the first hour of trading, I executed a series of well-timed trades based on Fibo Quantum Scalper's recommendations. The results were astonishing. I experienced a 90% success rate on my trades, which is a testament to the reliability of this tool. With minimal time investment and precise signals at my disposal, the profits started rolling in. It wasn't long before I had accumulated $500 in profit. Conclusion. In conclusion, Fibo Quantum Scalper has proven to be an invaluable addition to my Forex trading toolkit. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and the ability to make $500 in just 1 hour make it a must-have for any trader. Whether you're new to Forex or an experienced trader, this tool can help you achieve your financial goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock the potential of Fibo Quantum Scalper. It's your key to easy, daily profits.